Economics is the study of how society manages its scarce resources. The 10 principles of economics are introduced here to give you an overview of what economics is all about.
The price of a daily newspaper in Germany was 0.3 mark in January 1921. But in just 2 years, it soared to 7,000 marks in November 1922. It jumped more than 200 million times. The prices of other goods in Germany rose as much as the newspaper. It was the worst inflation that happened anywhere in the world. Inflation was quite frequent in the US but never as severe as the one experienced by Germany in the 1920s. In the 1970s, when prices in the US rose twofold, then President Gerald Ford called inflation public enemy number one. By contrast, inflation in the first decade of the 21st century ran about 2.5% per year. At this rate, it would take almost 30 years for prices to double. A high inflation entails high social costs, which makes keeping price increase in control one of the highest priorities of any government. What causes inflation then? Excessive or persistent increase in prices are almost always caused by an increase in the money in circulation. In early 1920s, prices in Germany rose 3 times per month. So did the quantity of money in circulation. The US had a similar experience, although it was not as severe. In the 1970s, there was a steep rise in prices due to a rapid increase in the quantity of money. Prices have been stable recently since there has been a slower growth in the quantity of money.
Bestseller of Economics. Principles of Economics Graphic Edition.